Good morning, guys. It is 4:11. We're about to be on our way to Atlanta for my birthday / New Year's. So we're loading the car now. We're about to go. And so yeah, I don't know. All right, y'all. We in Charlotte. Shout out to the best auntie in the world. Okay, you just gonna walk away from my video?
What happened?
I'm saying
gang,
shout out.
Gang. I'm about to go home.
Thank you. We appreciate you.
We got another 2.5 hours.
We finally on the bus after goddamn 10 hours. It's like, no, let me say, I know, okay. Come on, son. I think we got like 3 more hours. Say hello. They look stressed. I don't know why. Bye. Thank you. There's TV. All right, y'all. We are in Atlanta. Oh wait, not the hair flip. Come on. All right, Monty in the damn bathroom. She'll be in. But what we about to do? We just got a like cool outfit on. Birthday present. I got Crown Royal. Shout out to Miss Kimberly for buying me some liquors. And this is my little cup. You're so dramatic. Come on.
How y'all all doing that?
Wait, hold on, because I got recorded on my phone too.
You got open big.
Hey. Okay, guys. We're gonna go eat. Y'all, we're going to, what is it called? Louisiana Bistro here. We got gumbo.
Real classy with it.
Period. Beignets over here. Got some Oreo cheesecake over here. We got some red velvet cheesecake. And we got the same shit because she want to copy me. Adventure. We're going on a trip.
My sister wants to get a matching tattoo.
Oh Lord, like matching
get it?
Yeah, because like this side is up, like it's not gonna be as still as I need to be.
It's so ugly.
Oh Lord, I hear it.
So ugly.
You ready?
What did you eat? I don't know. I honestly think it's just like soda, candy, stress, stuff like that.
And it just appears when you look, it's like, yeah, that's not that bad. It's not that bad, y'all.
Okay, good. What's that on your nose? I don't know. I saw that. I think it was like. I took it. I think it came from the flash. I think it's like, I think my nose is just shiny.
We just got done getting our tattoos. Say hey, y'all. Hey. Oh wait, she can't move. Get her tattoo.
Environmental awareness, being tolerant. If I was just born 10 years later, I would have been the coolest.
The most fearless bear anywhere.
I think they're serious. It's a real Trump.
This is something about pain cream.
Huh?
Something about pain cream. You know, damn Trumpy bear. Playing games. Wait a minute, type in the TrumpyBear.com.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys. So it is what?
Her birthday.
It is 12:21. 12:21. So that means it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Listen, we were having technical difficulties trying to find somewhere to go. So
Not technical difficulties.
very, very, very big technical difficulties. So we're just gonna chill tonight, which is fine with me. I low-key want to order a pizza.
Bitch, I was thinking that too, but it's like 12:22.
I don't think they close until like 4.
Is that like a
We might-
we actually together?
I don't know, but I think we should get pizza.
Hey guys, so we are now getting the pizza because we.
And look who's taking over cable along.
Oh, time to go. I wish I could flip the camera while recording, but you can't.
We taking over the vlog.
Okay, guys, so we have
The motherfucking pizza! Oh gosh!
Just kidding. Let me put it like pizza. The crusted crab pizza is the pizza that you had. You're supposed to be dancing, Samaya. Me. All right, that's it. And we had to get some toilet paper because one of our sweet mates, she has a shitty booty. So we had to get some toilet paper. All right, bye. We're going back in.
Thank y'all for getting the pizza. Thank y'all for getting the pizza. Okay, y'all. So I forgot. I'm so weak.
Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh.
I forgot that I didn't show you guys my new tattoo. Okay. So that's it right there.
You ever touch your butt? No, you don't. She's still didn't touch that. So I'm moving on next to the next one.
Right,
No!
go on to the next one.
He's giving me energy like
When
right,
niggas-
my boyfriend, right?
Period. When niggas act dry, move on to the next. Hey, say it again. Wait, hold up.
When niggas act dry, it's time to say bye.
Period.
Okay, get the fuck.
Oh, he's still on the phone?
Yeah.
Well, when he start acting dry, just know he gonna be by.
In the sky with the fly.
Yes. She got the bars. She got the bars.
Okay.
Y'all, it's just, that is so true. I don't even want to talk about these men because I can say a lot.
Imagine
I think I'm gonna make a video about. Y'all want to see a video about that? I don't know, about me talking about men in general, like,
that's a lemon squeak.
and then wasting your time because
Oh, we can talk about it.
we can talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. But we're not gonna do it in this vlog. We're gonna do it in another video. So stay tuned for that because we're gonna talk about it. We are really gonna talk about it. But yep, it's my birthday and we just ordered pizza and we're about to eat and go to sleep because Jonah comes tomorrow at 8 a.m. and I'm probably gonna get up when she gets here and just start getting dressed and like trying to find something to wear for the day. And Then we have the little interactive like photo shoot thing at the Lenox Square. Gonna go to that at 12:15, and then we're gonna go to Cascade, and then we're gonna go to Cascade that night. And we're going to the Trap House Museum as well.
Open.
Rise and shine. Jonelle, you gotta come in the
I
vlog.
meant to look up the stores before I left, the ones in London.
We got breakfast, and they had these little smoothie things at the breakfast table, and it's so freaking good. It was like the tropical mango, and they had like wild berry pomegranate, and that was good too. But this is our food, little mini waffles. I'm about to tear this up. Ooh, come on. She's oh wait, she's ironing. She's doing her makeup. Say hi. And I'm about to drink my drink. Oh, you ain't know they call me? Come on. Ooh. With the shoe. Damn. Valentino, Saint Laurent, my bitch. Yo! Say what's up. Period. Right. Wait. We gotta find me an outfit. We gotta find Brie an outfit for the night. Tom Ford. Where's Gucci? Oh! Y'all. Well, oh well. It's a video. This is so cute. And then us.
Sorry.
You can see it. I'm taller than me. It's an actual video. It's not like a boomerang or nothing.
Oh, you look real clear in this.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Look at how the cameras cover my mouth.
I'm sorry. We're on our way to Lenox Square. Oh, now you ready. Every time I do it, you don't be ready. You wasn't ready. And then Brianna, she changing her shoes. So. Yeah, can you take pictures in the This is so freaking cute. Yes, you better get them angles. This little like what's it called? Interactive like photo shoot thing at Lenox. The experience is so cute.
She's gonna insert some pictures.
I'm gonna put them in there somewhere.
They came out. They really did.
They're so fun.
It was like $25, I think. So.
20, 30.
Oh, 25. Did I say 25?
It was like with the fees. It was like 30.
I got a feather in my hair from one of the
from the interactive photo shoot. Some mac and cheese. What you get?
Zucchini, shrimp scampi, something like that.
Looks pretty good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
iPhone 11.
Oh, it is kind of chilly. But we're about to go into the Trap House Museum.
I am ready to go put some pants on.
I am too.
What's up, boo?
Say,
What do, babe? What's good?
right.
Hey, babe, what's good? The band up is it is in the room of the church. I am TT.
Come on, TT. Oh, look at Lou. This is so cute. Look at Mickey. They got the weeds. They got the. Oh, they got the Henny bottle. It's a vlog, girl. you don't have to. Oh, that's cool. We're on our way to Cascade. Say hello. Hey.
I wish they were
And like, show y'all the bathroom real quick because it's mad cute. Like, okay, so isn't it so cute? Sorry, you can talk. Yeah. Damn. Where? It's the mixture of it.
Searching for fame, I became a superstar in the gun. Found out you.
Oh, come on! I am tired. I think now we're about to go back to the hotel room and go to sleep. Alright guys, that is the end of my birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday vlog. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for a part 2 in New Year.
Been talking about the way I do it, why I do. They heard I was good.